Okay, I'm outside working today because the electricians are still out there changing the poles and it is so noisy. And what I've done this morning was, actually yesterday, I picked a bunch of mugwort because it was a solstice and I made some, like, let me see, I gathered up the tips from the stalks and then the rest of the stalks, so like something like this. So I took the tip off. That's going to be called summer tip tea. And then the rest of this part goes to the other regular tea. And then what's left over is the smudge sticks. I know they kind of look really wild and like, scrappy, but I save and utilize every part of the plant. So now I have these that will become smudge sticks. And I bundle them up. I bundle them up with a thinner twig, and then I wrap it around like this and tuck it in here. And then I wonder why my fingers hurt at the end of the. So last year I made like 500. So this year my plan is to make more of these. And my thumb is gross. So what's left over, I have a lot of leftovers. Like this kind of looks like all junk and scrappy. We don't throw anything away. We keep them and I bundle them up. And even if they're like brown and, brown, like this kind of ugly brown leaves, I keep this because they make wonderful kindling. I have time, so I just keep all of this like this, put it in my little kindling container, and then throw it in the fire and poof, it lights up. Also, if I have scrappy green ones like this, I will also keep these and boil it in the wintertime. And oh, my whole house smells beautiful, like mugwort.